all become sincere.
Uma Didi Manasiksha, Alachua Temple.
Darpon, the commentary. Darpon means mirage. Darpon means mirage, which reveal the true nature of the bhajan. We reveal the true nature of bhajan in that commentary. He very careful analyze every word of this sloka. Every word, analyze so much. Every word of it sloka, he try to in Bhajan Darpan, he are giving what is the meaning, and our Gurudev, beloved Gurudev, Shiksha Gurudev, Bhaktivedanta Narayan Guru Maharaj, and also in Bhajan Darpan, this commentary, he are chanting and make more and more like a milk. If you yoga, you chanting the ghee coming, he are also making the essence of this commentary. More. What is the call? When you are taking from ghee from yoga, then what thing coming is called the
essence.
Essence. More than one word.
Refine?
No. It
All the foam, butter, when it comes to the top, taking off, just make ghee, to make ghee
that
butter.
ghee, essence of that milk that is churning, the ghee coming, like the Bhajan Darpan Miraj, Maharaj are giving more than what is the more, very simple language and very easy way, what does meaning, more. That is the he is writing in this his commentary. So I am going to the first sloka. I yesterday had some discussion about the Raghunath Das Goswami and who is that all that thing. Now I am going to the first sloka. Everybody know. And Gurudev told what are destination. This is to get to how can attain the Radharani servant. So it is very important to qualify the Radha Dashi. So for this, who have that desire, I wanted follow Gurudev mood and one life I must be attained, then that must be follow Upadesh Amrita, Manish Shiksha, Sikha, Stockholm, then make them qualified. And then one day can, if they follow or not do any offense, one day they must be arrived at destination. So our Upadesh Amrita told, Ushau in bhajan you not become not become
Lazy.
Huh?
Lazy or dis-
No, lazy or also not become hotas, money not become depressed. Always die in intrinsic mood. And also I must be nishad, I must be attained. And for this thing I must be patient. Just now I put a seed, plant a mango seed, anything, I put in the ground, and after 2 days I digging and see nothing coming, that's not coming. Give the time. Mango seed coming, then coming the plants, the sprout, plant, then plant will become growth, and one day it will be coming flower. Then one day that we see that mango is coming. To like this, even now today I am taking initiation Guru and thinking tomorrow I will be get devotion. No, devotee, no. You wait to enter this. It is not easy. Who are make it, they call Sahajiya. Bhajan is not cheap, very cheap. Take time. And try to progress. How much, this is the main also thing. We are attain our goal, that is also make some impression. Without impression, we cannot progress. how much we have spiritual bank account will be more and more. Then one day we must be arrived in our destination. No impression. So it is very important to make impression Vaishnava Seva, Guru Seva. And if there is any temple, the temple Seva is very important. Who are living in the temple, they must be do every activity without laziness. They think Mandir is ours. My Gurudev Mandir, I must be do every activity helping. No become tired, oh I am doing all service. No, this type mood not helping your bhajan. So now in the first sloka, Guru Goshti. There is Guru mane not one Guru, Guru mane plural. Two Guru here is. Guru Goshti, Goshtilesu Sujane Bhusurgane, Somantre Sinamni, Brajanava Danda Sarane. Sada Dhamma Gita Kuru Rotim Purvamati Taramoe, Santo Bhato Vijache, Didrito Padam. The meaning of this sloka. Here is Raghunath Swami address is mine. Oh my dear brother mine. Oh my dear brother, foolish mine. He told my dear brother, but what he giving? Foolish mind. Oh my dear brother, my foolish mind, taking hold your feet. Humbly I pray. I am very sweet prayer. I am very sweet and nice word prayer to you. Please give up all the pride and quickly develop the transcendental attainment to Guru Goshte Goshtil to Sujane Bhusurgane Sonamni Vrajanava Juba Danda Swarane. He had asked that, oh mind, please give up all the pride in material world. Ego must be go. You will be made that your love, very transcendental attachment to make grow up in your heart for Guru. Guru mane here is Diksha Guru and Shiksha Guru. There is our scripture, there is saying 4 type of Guru. One is Padapadasya Guru, who are showing that in this line it will go, and then he is showing, who are helping to showing the spiritual life. They are called Padapadasya Guru. Then second Mahanta Guru, who are giving initiation to me. And Bhajan Shiksha Guru will be so many. But one Shiksha Guru Bhajan, one Shiksha Guru may be many. Because when I get any help from other, then I can think he is my Shiksha Guru. But Bhajan Shiksha Guru must be one, who helping my bhajan in the moon. Why not? Because if one person, particular person, if that my Shiksha Guru helping, he will be that time Shiksha Guru. But not Shiksha Guru, Diksha Guru have left this world, or anyhow we are busy, not possible. Then that Shiksha Guru will be give that type of bhajan, Shiksha Guru will giving that type of inspiration that Gurudev have mood, my Shiksha Guru mood. Understand? This bhajan Shiksha Guru will be not so many. Bhajan Shiksha Guru will be one. Shiksha Guru may be so many, you can accept their teaching. Understand? But this is the only one Bhajan Shiksha Guru, Diksha Guru, and that Bhajan Shiksha Guru will be thinking the non-difference. In our Chaitanya Charitamrita told, Diksha Guru is the Krishna Rupa and Shiksha Guru is Swarup. What is the difference? Nothing difference. So Shiksha Guru mean, Bhajan Shiksha Guru mean who are encouraging, who are giving that type of teaching to us that my Gurudev is giving that line. That line must be. So topmost Bhagavat devotee who are complete, topmost Bhagavat devotee who are completely destroy all anartha and bestow the Sambandha Gyan or transcendental knowledge of relationship with Sri Krishna with one person. That Diksha Guru, he has make our relationship with the Krishna. And he has that type of power that he can remove our heart all the anartha, unwanted desire. And he can make to sambandha, relationship with the Krishna. And another Shiksha Guru of topmost Bhagavat, he has made to encouraging instruct in how we do perform bhajan, Sri Radha Krishna divine jugal, divine couple. They are known the Shiksha Guru. And there is both of them is non-different from the Krishna. They are very dear to Krishna. And you are also know Gurudev is manifestation of the Supreme Lord. You are giving the honor, not considering this, he is the human person like me. It is the most dangerous offense to think Gurudev is human like me. Maybe he knows so much spiritual thing, but he is the same. Because Gurudev become old age, Gurudev sometime operation going on, some disease coming, Gurudev also pain like me. People think this is the most opera. Not Matta Buddhi Suretu Gurudev. Gurudev could never think that he is a human being like me. That is bona fide Guru, understand? To never think that Guru is the ordinary person, and then how will we do service Guru, then possible to attain all the things. The transcendental attachment. In the morning time I told, this attachment in our material attachment give me tie my hand, understand? What in my family have attachment that making me tight our hand, binding me more and more, understand? Not understand. Material attachment, tight thing. But when this attachment, transcendental attachment with Guru and Vaishnava and our Supreme Lord, then what will be? My hand will be free for tight. This is only difference. Sometimes they told that I am saying that this is all the family is Maya, you don't do anything, ISKCON is saying so much. I am not saying like this. I am saying it will make you must be know they are temporary. How much you loving them, service them, it will not get you any result. So you try to, when you have taken shelter of bona fide Guru, who are materialistic people, they cannot understand. But when a person become devotee, as some spiritual knowledge he have learned, then he must be understand. Really, it is not in real connection with them. If that I am saying that no love, it is, I not say you must do the duty what you are your family life. But you love, and this is the Raghunath Das told that you are develop your transcendental attachment. Attachment our one of the tendency. In the world I am attachment my family. But when that attachment I will do for Krishna consciousness, then that will be I will be benefit, and it will give me good result. So Guru Seva, without Guru Deva nobody can attend all these transcendental attachment or not possible to progress spiritual life. And Guru Deva also two types. One is In a duty, Gurudev, though I must be do every day, morning time, do pranam, obeisance, and Gurudev, what he order, I must be follow. And in that, every day I must follow the our 9 type of bhakti, Shravan, Kirtan, Smaran, Gurudev told. All are duty, one is duty. Understand? But one is love, full of our avocation. I am doing service, that is called Vishwambhu Seva. But Vishwambhu Seva also not coming immediately. Doing the Seva with the duty, one day must be done in the Vishwambhu Seva. But here he is saying that when we be, that Guru Seva result, what is result coming, you know. That is, he gives one example. I will be give one example of our Prabhupada, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada. One time a devotee, his disciple came to him and asked, Gurudev, I want to hear Bhagavad Katha, Srimad Bhagavatam. Your one disciple is very much famous and scholar of Bhagavatam. You have so many titles of Bhagavatam. So I wanted to hear, you give permission. Prabhupada told he don't know any Bhagavatam. He don't know any Bhagavatam. If you wanted to hear, you go to my gardener, who is the illiterate person, never know the ABCD. You go. Gardener. So he told, how possible? Well, you can go. Because it service temple, all are manifest Bhagavatam. Understand? So when he has go and all here without book anything, all Bhagavad is speaking. Because Gurudev must see. In another example with Sankaracharya, he have one disciple Giri name, illiterate. Nothing, no. Sankaracharya philosophy is very much high class, understand? And that 60,000 disciples, they are very learned person. And this Giri are only doing his personal service. Cooking, cleaning, cloth, other personal service. Illiterate, because he has not known. But he have, every day he used to go Gurudev lecture. How many service? He finishing immediately he are present in the Gurudev. What he is speaking he had. Understand? One day ready for lecture. Sankaracharya sitting, all the disciples also sitting. But Sankaracharya, time is on, when the time is, proper time came, but Sankaracharya waiting for somebody. Then the disciple asking, Gurudev, why you are waiting now? It is time is, time, what is that? Time now. Huh? And then you can give. He told, wait for Giri. They told, Gurudev, why you wait for Giri? Because he don't understand this hard philosophy. Why you will wait? No need. Gurudev very calmly and humbly told, wait. And in the meantime, he is cleaning the cloth and immediately clean and running and came in the assembly of there. And immediately Sankaracharya asked him to give this subject some lecture. In Guru Mahasi, immediately give all the 16,000 disciples become astonished. What is speaking? Guru Mahasi, everything. This is the Mukham Karati Bacharang Pongura Tengiri. A limping person can cross the hill, mountain. And a dumb person also can speak in Guru Mahasi. Gurudev Mahasi, the Guru Kripa Kevalam. This is our devotee must be know how much important of Guru. In another there Gurudev give example, Guru Seva. Govinda are used to Mahaprabhu personal servant. Understand? When Swarup Damodar Rai Ramananda come in the night time, and Mahaprabhu used to taste all the mood. Git Govinda, Joy Chandidas, and so separation. Whole night he is crying, weeping bitterly. And Govinda always saying, why you come? To make the cry my Prabhu. Why you come? That means he don't know the mood of Mahaprabhu. He is illiterate. He know everything. Because he wrote a diary that called Govinda Karcha in what Mahaprabhu pastime, and where that help of Govinda Karcha, Krishnadas Kaviraj wrote the Krishna Chaitanya Charitamrita. Understand? It is not everybody not think he is the illiterate person. Guru Seva result is who are we do sincerely are, not expect anything. Sincerely, somebody do service like a Ravan Sita. Ravan stolen the Sita. He not touch the real Sita. Understand? Somebody are doing service and thinking I am done so much seva. But Gurudev not reveal his pure body to him. Understand? Because I am saying Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami told one is article. I have some thinking I am done my Guru Seva. But I never touch my Gurudev. Gurudev give me opportunity to serve. But that body that I am touching and doing service, that is only the Ravan Maya. Sita, Ravan thinking I am Kinda Sita, but not really touch. Like that, I am thinking I am service Gurudev. It is Guru, not I am. Gurudev, where is Prabhupada? Where is I am? How I can touch his body? It is humility of the Prabhupada Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami. Will we do service? Gurudev will be not saying that I am service Gurudev so much. He feeling that no, I not touch my Gurudev body. Gurudev is so higher where I am. This mentality, humility must become. Then Guru Seva, that understand that they have done Guru Seva. So Guru Seva, what will be if we do Guru Seva? And Guru Masi, all our unwanted desire, all our the lust, anger, greed, pride, illusion, all Namapura, Sevapura, so on. We are that everything, servicing Guru and Bhagavan, then we are, all will be go, and one day we attain the Prem Bhakti. Guru with his very strongly Hari Katha, he remove, he cutting all our jungle in our heart, forest, all the anartha, everything he cutting. Because their Katha is so powerful. That lecture is so powerful that make to clean our heart. Then when we are doing engage in the Guru Seva and Krishna service, then gradually all the disciples anartha are gradually will be removed. And especially we have now our sadhana beginning from Guru Seva. We are not any real connection with the Krishna, anybody, but somehow we have some relation with Guru. Then our beginning, our Seva service with Guru service. And then gradually, Gurudev Masti, we turn this Seva, we will be Guru Seva, Gurudev Masti, we are get the ruchi, taste in the Bhagavan, in the God. And then Guru Goshte. Goshte means in Brajadham. Goshte means where the Radha Kundu, Sham Kundu, Samket, all the Nandagaon, Varsana, everything this is called Goshte. Understand? Generally Goshte meaning where the cow, Gopi, they are living. Goshte. But here is the Goshte in the giving the Nandagaon, Varsana in the Bhajan Darpan, that is our giving Goshte means Brajadham. The word Goshte are here refer Brajadham. or it is that which is in Brajamandal, where the Radha Krishna Nitya Leela was always going on there. This is the Goshto. This including Gokul, Vrindavan, Nandagaon, Barsana, Jabod, Govardhan, Shyam Kundu, Radha Kundu, and other such places. What is the deep meaning to love? And this is saying you must be stay in Govardhan, stay in the Brajamandal if you wanted to become perfection. Tannam rupa charitati tishton bade tadanuragi jananugami. If you wanted to perfection, you must believe in the Braj. You wanted to get result, perfection, you must believe. So what is the meaning of the Braj? If anybody not possible in a physical body, not possible to stay, money, problem, so many, then he make his mind in Braj. In mindly he must be stay. Because without Braj you cannot become perfection. Radha Krishna bhajan, Pesani. Not possible. So for you Krishna bhaje, tadanuragi, jananugami, because when you believe in mood of the Brajavasi, how Brajavasi continuously love for Krishna. And how I follow our Gurudev, Guru Varga who are giving all the instruction. Under their guidance, I must believe in the Braj, then I can come in the perfection. But who not possible, then what he will be do? He make his mind according taking the shelter of Bonafide Guru and follow the Brajavasi mood, he must be mind make the Braj. Sanket. When you will be chanting, when I will be chanting Harinam, then I think now it is I am now in Govardhan, in our temple now, morning Gurudev going to the Parikrama with lead our Parikrama, I am going in behind, follow Gurudev, how we are going for Dan Ghati, then Dan Nimandan Kundu, doing pranam, what the pastime Gurudev told Dan Ghati, that how Krishna make the fun with the gopis, and firstly we take all our thing, milk, Jogad, butter, and then one day Gopi also how make the Krishna to make in Gopi dress and to making of a Gopi and how they return revenge this thing. Then Govinda Kundu, then where how Govinda Kundu come, remember this Hindu, how Yobhishek, then go to the Govinda Kundu, then we go inside, we going to Navala Kundu, Apsara Kundu, Puchika Lota, then in this way chanting Hare Krishna and we are doing Parikrama. This is the Christian bhajan. I am in the, maybe I am Western country, but make mine in Vrindavan. One time one Panda of Mathura asked Gurudev, why you are going, leaving the Vrindavan? Gurudev told, I am always living in the Vrindavan. I am not in San Francisco, not any other country. I always live in the Vrindavan. That Mahaprabhu when in the Puri, he is thinking ocean, it is like a blue Jamuna. It is the sand of the hill of sand. Chatak Parvat thinking Govardhan. If we go, we are apply Mahaprabhu thinking it is the Govardhan. But I am no manifest the Govardhan. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, it's not thinking, he know that it is the Govardhan. Reveal the Govardhan to him. Our Guru Varga also, where he can stay, he revealed that I am in the Vrindavan. I am in the bank of Jamuna, I am bank of Radha Kundu, I am chanting. All those things. They are physically, more than their mindly, they are living there. Then Goshtalayam. Goshtalayam who are living in the Braj, they are Goshtaleshu. Who are devotees who live in Braj, in the motive of Sarvi Jugal Kishore and Brajavasi. They are the real Brajavasi who are the mood. Braj, or so many people nowadays living, they are doing so many motive. Understand? In Braj, they are Radha Krishna, there is so many making the Hanuman. Big temple Hanuman. Ma Durga Devi, Vaishnavi Devi. Big. When you enter Vrindavan, see big temple. Big, huge statue of Hanuman. Oh, it is the not Brajvasi. Who are not living in the Braj, maybe outside but mood in Braj. They are real Brajvasi. They are who are take birth in Brajvasi, they are more, this is the truth, they are very fortunate. Even the monkey, even the dog who are living in the Braj, they have must some special impression, they have made special something, they have took birth in their Braj. Understand? When I compare in the dog, in the Western country, dog are care so much. They are special one room, AC room, and they are going to meet with the girlfriend, one date also, everything. In winter season, they are giving good clothes, so many care for them. And on the other hand, you go India, all the street dog in the winter time, so much suffering. But they are still fortunate because they have opportunity to take prasad. Understand? Even I saw Govardhan Parikrama, sometimes one dog follow to us. Even now go to outside temple they are living. They are more fortunate. They have so much facility of dog, so many. They are living very comfortable life. But on the other hand, our dog, street dog also some darshan, some of the Vaishnava, they have opportunity. Understand? So they are more fortunate. That is the who are take the birth in the Braj. Maybe they are not doing proper bhajan, but there are some special they have to bath. Why I am not take bath in Braj? Why I am outside of Braj? Must be they have done something. So they are more fortunate, it is the truth. Those who are living in the Braj, even that Brajavasi, they not even wanted to Vaikuntha. Understand? What about the liberation? They not wanted Vaikuntha, what about to liberation? The Brajavasi. Or any sense enjoyment. Living in Braj by body and mind, and remember loving service of Radha Krishna Jugal. They are considered the devotee of highest level of Uttam Bhagavatam. Without their mercy, one cannot enter Raganuga Bhakti. So one should give up pride. One not think that, oh, I am so great devotee and this ego. You don't know, I am 30 years taking initiation. Swami Maharaj or any other Prema Bhakti Pramod Puri Maharaj, you don't know you me. Who am I? I am so senior devotee. In this pride, that is not. They are what? Real living Braj. And I am so senior devotee, 30 years I am following the Puri Maharaj or Swami Maharaj or Prabhupada. And you are new disciple of the living Prabhupada. Oh, I am more superior than you. This all pride, no. Who are taking bath in Brajavati, they are more superior. That is the truth. And if they do bhajan and loving service of Radha Krishna, I must be respect. Honor my mind and bodily. Sujane, there is Guru, Goste, Sujane. Sujane means Vaishnava. Sujan means good person. Sujan are devotees who belong to our four Sampradaya. Nimbak, Madhya Tarjo and Vishnu Swami, Rudra Sampada. They are living in the Braj, but not living in this mood to serve Radha Krishna, that Gaudiya, understand? They are not that mood. They are not spontaneous attachment Radha Krishna service, but living in the Braj. Though we not giving neglect them, understand? We give respect, because somehow we are living in the Braj. So I am telling this, what man ki, to disturb us, but we are giving that they have great opportunity to take birth in the Braj. They are more superior than us. But who are living in the Braj, in the mood, in maybe outside, but mood of Braj, they are real Brajvasi. Mood, this is very important.
One question?
Yes.
Big Sri Vaishnava temple in Braj. Brijabasis, I don't know when it came, maybe many years ago. Brijabasis locally, they feel like Sujane, these are Sri Vaishnava, but they don't like we're going there for worship or anything?
No. Shiv our Guru. Vaishnava Sampradaya Guru also Shiv. Jata Vaishnava Nam Guru. Vaishnava is Shiv is so much. The Gopeshwar Shiv also.
Yes.
We are seeing all that they are giving the when the Shiv have desire to see the Radha Krishna last time past, he have desire, I also wanted to darshan. So how we are coming, no male not allowed. And he have Abhiman, I am male form, Shiva. So then he came and then prayed to Jogamaya make him female, very new, young girl. And he had, you are hiding in this place, one corner of Ras, where Bungsi was, you are looking there. Krishna doing Rasliya, but today he told, I not feel any happiness from my dancing. Some opposition party enter in this. Then look, everybody looking and they are hiding one new girl, very beautiful, are hiding and looking. Then he had caught him, who are you? What is your name? He cannot speak, because Jogma not give any name to him, only make the ladies form. Then he, where your village? He cannot know. What is your husband, Khasam name? Not a plan. Then they are making gulcha to him that Gurudev showing my Gurudev sitting there and my Gurudev, my Shiksha Guru Narayana giving Bhavan Goswami gulcha like that. Making him so much. Then here she become crying, oh Jogamaya Devi. Then Jogamaya Devi come and told, oh Krishna, what are you doing? It has she wanted to darshan, I make him please. Then Krishna told, okay, she will be gatekeeper. Without your permission, nobody can enter in the bush. Rangeshwar Mathura Dalpari Rangeshwar Shiv. In Vrindavan Shiv is that, what Shiv? Gopeshwar Shiv. Chakreshwar Govinda Dev in the Govardhan. And Kameshwar, Kamabon, everywhere Shiv is there for as a Dalpar, gatekeeper. So we are giving honor. Sujan, other party, they are Vaishnava. So we not neglect them. They are not doing 1 point Radha Krishna service. Understand? That not mean, but they are Vaishnava. They Lakshmi Narayan Upasana, Sri Sampada. So in this way we not dishonor. Even Mahaprabhu told, you cannot dishonor any entity. Jive Salman Dive Jani Krishna Anushan. Everybody heart Jeev is present. Jeev heart Krishna is present as a super soul. Everybody Jeev, every Jiva. Jeev means who have life, they are called Jiva. It is not only human beings. Animal also Jeev, he has life also. According to their karma, they are getting now dog or anything. In South India, a gentleman passing the road with his stick and a dog was lying there. They removed, dog had, removed by stick. Then dog get up and then he went to the king to giving the what, nalis? Complaint that Brahman have beat me. King know the language of the dog also. Understand? Then king sent and somehow they find the Brahman and bring Brahman and ask, you are beat him? Well, yes. He is lying that way, I am beat you. Then king asked dog, what punishment will we give this Brahman? The dog told, you make in the very famous temple, in very richest temple in the South India, you make him Bhandari that place. Man storekeeper. So what punishment? Well, I was in Vivya side, I was storekeeper in that temple or pujari. What thing coming in the temple? I am looking. My teeth, what are falling my foot? Do I become dog in this life? So when you will become dog, then you understand what is the painful life of dog. So that is, we will give everybody honor. Somehow we become dog, but Paramatma in his heart. Understand? They are jeev, they are life. They are consciousness also, but consciousness is very much, little bit. Human is full consciousness, full intelligence. And Bhusurgane. Bhusurgan mane hoche Brahmano. Brahman who are living in the Brahman in this Brajdham, they are not doing also Krishna bhajan, but are somehow living in the Braj. Understand? And also giving some teaching of the Vaishnava Dharma, who are giving the Vaishnava Dharma teaching and also Daiva Varnashram follow, they are called Bhushur. So you are also give honor. And then so mantra. So mantra means Gurudev give that mantra personally, one person, same mantra. This is called Diksha mantra. Diksha means that all our sinful activities will be go by mantra, clean our heart, and Siksha mantra give that spiritual divine knowledge to us, manifested. One personal mantra, the mantra received from the Sri Gurudev is known the So mantra. One should chant this mantra according how the Gurudev giving the rules. 108 or this in the Gurudev give that type of mantra. And mantra is so powerful. Mantra is ordinary. Gurudev told in material mantra who have known some to remove the poison of the snake. Anybody bite by snake, na? Some snake charmer know that mantra is that take out the poison from the body of this person. Understand? By mantra. Mantra power. That is mantra is so powerful than Gopal mantra in I am seeing giving the Mahaprabhu one pastime. Gopal mantra is so powerful. One Guru, Mahaprabhu, one devotee become very old age. Name is Saranga. When you go to Madhu, Vrindavan Thakur place, we see the Saranga Murari place. Saranga is name. So he becomes so old, the Mahaprabhu told, why Saranga will not make a disciple that you can do your service and do your Thakurji service. Saranga told, no Prabhu, I am not qualified. But Mahaprabhu told, for your Thakurji, you must make a disciple. Then order of, he told, tomorrow morning whom I see, when I will be go to take bath in the Ganga, whom I see first, then I give my mantra and make disciple. Next morning, early morning, he went to the Ganga to take bath. That time, he saw nothing, but he saw when you are taking bathing in the Ganga, he saw one dead body are floating. These are in Bengali, especially Bengali and India also maybe, who are bitten by the snake, they are not put in the fire. They are put in the one stamp of making one stamp from a banana tree and they make floating in the Ganga or Nodi, any river, big river. Because their body is full of poison and that is so much burning to not again give the fire burning. When you see this, Saranga pulling the body and in the bank he lied that body, a young boy, 17, 18-year-old. He put the body and give in his ear Gopal mantra. And immediately boy become alive. This place, is it a true story? It is the place of that Sarango and the boy name is Murari. That when his father, mother, parents, relative here, nearby village they are also. They are here that my boy become alive, they are come and claim, you can come too with me. Boy told, you already prodding me, I am dead. So my Gurudev make me alive, so I now, another life, I wanted to serve my Gurudev. This is the place called Sarango Murari. When we are go to Modrum Island and Vrindavan Das Thakur place, in nearby the temple is Sarango Murari. The mantra Gurudev used to, mantra is not ordinary. Mahamantra, Harinam is more, but still this Gopal mantra and all the Gurudev that give the mantra, 8 mantra is not ordinary mantra. It is so powerful. If we do properly chanting, properly thinking, the mantra job is Bihod Bhagavatam giving the 5 type of how you will do chanting the mantra. These 5 type of stage. In this 5 way, if you are chant that mantra will become very quickly perfection. That is first you think what mantra is. What is the meaning of the mantra? And what is relation with me at the mantra? Then ask that this mantra, Devata, the deity of this mantra must be protect me. I must strong believe that mantra will be, how many times Gurudev told, 10 times, 108 times, what? I must be properly chant 2 times, 3 times, what he told, I must be follow, and mantra must be protected to me. I believe. If I chant, he will be save me from material world and all the others. And then I'll be property, I'll be take shelter on property mane I take that doing pranam and mantra is my life and soul. Then Saranagato, then Atmanivedan. The property, 3 type of property. Saranagato, I am taking shelter. When Atmanivedan, fully surrender. Understand? In 3, making the relation and then chanting the mantra will be give quick result. That is Gurudev in the used to speak from the Bhiyod Bhagavamrita, Sanatana Goswami give this instruction. Then Harinam. Harinam there is Krishna is so many names, secondary and primary. Pesar is Hari, Sri Krishna, Govinda, Gopinath, Radhakanto, all his principal name, supreme name, and secondary name Patit Pavan, Jagannath, Paramatma, Brahma are his ordinary name. To our Mahaprabhu tell that what you are chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. In Kali Yuga, this is our deliverance, this Mahamantra. It is Tarok and Parok. The mantra is Tarok and Parok. Mean Tarok means it can derive from the material world to me and give prem. Parok means prem. Other Kali Yug, that Mahamantra only giving liberation. Means derive from the material world. But in Mahaprabhu, when this is the Dhanno Kali Yug, it is the very fortunate Kali Yug, when Mahaprabhu came here, he put this Hare Krishna Mahamantra in string of prem. He put the 16 seva in prem, in like a flower, in putting with the string in prem, like a string, that prem is string, that in our giving. So the Kali Yug is Mahamantra is giving you prem also and giving the detachment of material world also. Then the second, third, in the last, surrender to youthful Prajanavo Duvo Danda Sarone, means surrender to youthful divine couple of Braj. Surrender means complete. Take the exclusive shelter, lotus feet of Radha Krishna. And especially our Bhakti Vinod Thakur to Radhika Dasi Jodi Hoy Abhiman Tabe Shigro Miroi Gokulokan. If anyone pride himself, I am the Dasi or maid servant in Srimati Radhika, then very quickly attain the Brajendra of Gokul. Then he told, oh mind, you please give up your pride. What pride? Illusion, chol, deceit, hypocrisy, ignorance, dishonesty, all the aspect of mind, different aspect of pride. If you wanted to cultivate bhakti, so must be remove all these things in your heart. Then you are, when that will be coming, when a desire so strong coming, I wanted to develop my spiritual life, I wanted to develop my love, pure love, my Ishtadev, my worshipful deity, then kapatata and other thing will be really going all type of. That is the main thing. Unfavorable with the bhajan must be we must be removed, and what is favorable must be accepted. Bhakti Vinod Thakur told in the Harivasa Suddha Bhakata in the last line, Hari Bhajaner Anukul Ja Bhakti Vinod Poti Divase Shikaro Karo. The Bhakti Vinod Thakur will wanted to accept that thing with favorable. He wanted to accept that what is favorable for bhajan, he wanted to take shelter. To remove that what is, we must be remove what is opposition of our pure bhakti. We try to remove very strongly unfavorable thing, my pure bhajan. Then one is apurvaroti, transcendental spiritual attachment. Jiva by nature is servant of Krishna. That is the Sanatana Goswami asked Mahaprabhu, who am I? It is like a question, a mad person. Sanatana Goswami is so much Prime Minister of the Nawab Hussain Shah, he don't know who am I. But why he asked, who am I? Because he wanted to know everybody, I am not that physical body, I am give my identification. I am eternal. My soul, that is real, my eternal, that is identification. I am eternal, servant of Krishna, because I am part and parcel of Krishna. Momai Bangse Jiva Loke Jiva Bhuta Sanatana. When by Maya that Jiva forget, diverted from Krishna, and then he are bound by Maya. It roti means material attachment in the direct of all the perishable things, material objects. Only Krishna Bhakti, and that make him so much misery and so many things. The only in pure Bhakti that transcendental attachment, spiritual attachment, that he puja manifest our heart, then you are coming in the Krishna concert, and everything will be, that is called unknown, it is known, Apurva Roti means unprecedented spiritual attainment. Oti Ratam Kuru, I am taking it this and then finishing. Then one should never make incentive endeavor. What type of chista endeavor will be to come in the Krishna concert? That we are, that is the want to remain comprehending bhakti will arise one according by some good association. If somebody bhakti, how will become if I do some good activities? That is not. That is our in the scripture give bhakti to bhagavad sange no parijate. Bhakti coming from where? Bhakti. Who heard is bhakti, they can get the bhakti. Bhakti coming from bhakti. So we are the one should not satisfy simply to offer respect, see Gurudev, and then only to that Diksha Guru, this purport of this instruction is wrong, that if you desire, you are seeking activities in divinity of the, and that is everything, what that is called the 10 things. Guru, Goshte, Goshtiltu, Sujane, Bhusurgane, Sonamne, Mahamantre, and 8, that Navaduva Danda Sarane. If the properly they follow instruction of Guru and try to all the illusion, everything, what is unknown, unwanted desire, everything removing Gurudev instruction, try to follow properly, then one day they attain this state where our object to come. So we are the thing that one to cultivate two attachment of Harinam and Mahamantra. This is the last, here is Bhajan Tarpan giving the conclusion. One should cultivate true attachment to Harinam, Mantra and given by Diksha Guru. Shiksha Guru and Diksha Guru is little bit speciality, understand? Diksha Guru give our relation with the Krishna, make Sambandhagan. And on the basis, Bhajan Shiksha Guru give the teaching of Bhajan, understand? A Param Gurudev wrote in one is Upadesh instruction, Diksha Guru is some speciality. There is no difference, it is true, but still there is some speciality of Diksha Guru because he give relation first, he make relationship disciple to Krishna, and on the basis Shiksha Guru give. If that Diksha Guru gives Shiksha, that one type, that is Diksha and Shiksha is same Guru. No need. That is the saying that that Bhajan Shiksha Guru is a Guru Devi. Then if you want to learn anything, that is another. And then if you are, and that is if I follow properly, you must be taking the initiation and doing when you are under the guidance of Diksha Guru, the Shiksha Guru, you try to develop all these things. Understand? You try to cultivate true attachment to Harinam. How I do Harinam? The Gurudev told you to do Harinam like this way. Thinking about the Braj Dham, Navadip Dham, and you think I am now doing parikrama, or you can think one slok, Cheto Darpano Marjanam Bhagavad Bhakti Vinod Thakur giving the explanation. You think and chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Or you can thinking what Gurudev giving the Brajamandal Parikrama lecture, chanting Hare Krishna. That mantra is not become tired to you, you are become some taste in the mantra. And also, concerning your thing that Sri Radha Krishna Jugal is to be one life and soul. You must be think in the you are giving honor Brajavasi, all the Sanket is everywhere, the Dham we are going, Navadip Dham anywhere. You think Dham is not ordinary place like our village. Dham and Gram not same. There is so many people living in nothing. That dham also so many corrupted people, thief are living. That means not dham become loss is power. Understand? Our Narad Muni also taken one benefaction from Krishna. Krishna, I wanted two benefaction from you. If anybody hear your katha, you will not satisfy. Understand? Krishna or give reply, my katha not make anybody satisfaction. He wanted to hear more and more. But you take the real what you wanted. Then he told Prabhu, who are not developed so many bhakti, devotion, not coming higher stage, that you keep if they come, one condition, in strong faith, this is the place where Krishna have done that pastime. It is the Bangsi Bodh where Krishna have done Rasrila. He played the flute all night, all the young girls came there. And what their conversation, you remember and do pranam there. And you are rolling on the ground, that it is the place, same place. It is the same place where the mother tied the hand Gokul in the Brahmandogar. Here Brahmandogar, Krishna take the earth, soil. In this way you go that place and faithfully doing your obeisance there. And rolling the ground and take some dust on your head. Then what will be? Immediately you have not so much do Braj Bhakti, but immediate Braj Bhakti will manifest his heart. So Gurudev told, I calling all of you for that reason, if you go that place and in that strong faith, Shraddha, in that place, that Krishna, that pastime, when you rolling on the ground and doing, then you, that Braj Bhakti manifest your heart. Then you can say, so many years I am going, I am also question my mind. Because that type of Shraddha not. Still that type of strong faith not arise my mind. I am seeing, oh Baba, this is some dirty place, how can rolling in that place? It is the place where the pig are going, how Vrindavan Dham, it is Vrindavan Dham. It is so monkey to go to fair to Seva Kunjo, because so much monkey anytime attack. Not take my glass, only you have to bite me, then go to hospital. This fair. Somebody told, when you go Seva Kunjo, you see monkey, you not look their eyes. You are chanting Radhe, 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 Radhe. They not do anything. So I saw that they not do. But I am taking the Radha Radha Naam, not for Radha Rani. Fear of the monkey. There is that difference. But still, Rishka, who are pulling the Rishka, they are not saying, cling, cling. They are Radhe, Radhe, man, you move. Give me place. That Rishka are always chanting Radhe, Radhe. Must be get something, understand? Nothing not. Radha Naam is so powerful. Yesterday told that a young husband crying for his wife, Radhe, Radha, Kishori, Kishori, where are you? Kishori cannot stay in his in transcendental world. He becomes so restless, going and coming inside and outside. Lolita told, why you are so much restless? Well, you don't see that this boy is calling Kishori, Kishori, give me darshan. I am so feeling separation. Then Guru Lolita told, you don't know, he is not calling you. He calling his wife. Separation. His wife have died. But still name is mine. Kishori name is mine. So it is Karuna Kurumai Radhe. In Vrindavan somehow you can stay. Then you can get and pray for Radhani Masti, you must be get. This is the thing. So in the first flow, it is the saying, and little bit I will be reading tomorrow, and then I go to second floor. Gaur Premanande. What I try to speak, you and I am asking everybody understand little bit.
Yes.
Take something. When it is my not properly Katha, I wanted to present my Gurudev Katha. But this is my speaking problem, and some I could not presentation like that type of English. Huh? So please forgive me for this thing and try to understand Gurudev giving this katha. It is not my katha. So you try to something take your heart, not everything, not 1 year and coming out. Try to take something, then coming here and you are also pay my ticket also. So this if you not take something that I will be in debt to all of you. Understand? So you must be something, try to take. If I go, then not forget everything. Some sannyasi saying, if I go, not forget, out of mind, out of sight, not. Out of sight, out of mind. I am not. You can forget me, no matter. But one word, one sentence you must be remember that what Umadidi told Gurudev Katha. Not my Katha, it is Gurudev Katha. If you remember one Katha, that my coming here will be successful. Otherwise, coming, Asha ja sar hoil, in Nityananda prayer. Asha ja coming and going, nothing. Come. Gaur Premanande. Little bit Harinam. Hare Krishna.
Question.
Yes.
Only that you saw Srila Gurudev's Leela for so long in Mathura. Can you tell him just even small amount how so many, even Mathura Vasis, everybody, how Gurudev very famous in Braj? Because you saw so many years
Yes.
life there. Just anything small, how Gurudev is so famous in Braj.
Gurudev, how much try, when I came I saw. That time Mathura Moth name in the Bengali Moth. Understand? Nobody so many because Bengali person know some magic, mantra. Human being maybe become goat in Kamakhya Assam. They have idea. One Punjabi devotee I meet here before told how we are, no, this temple is here, but we fear to come here. Because in Bengali mode, there are some know their mantra tantra and make the human tongue, Boshikaran, mane controlling everything, they fear to come. That time no so many devotees used to come. But Gurudev, how hard preaching, Every day evening class after Arati. Gurudev not take prasad. That time Gurudev health is so good. He going with some brahmachari. Before he told who Brajavasi came to him, the Gurudev told, I will go to your house today to Kirtan and some Harikatha. No make any prasad. Only you give your time to hear the Harikatha. Not cook anything for me. And Gurudev in night, 11 o'clock, he returned temple. Going food, working, coming back working with brahmachari. And he took prasad. In this way preaching. Then it become famous temple. So that is how they are Brajavasi, how they are so many Brajavasi, but still they are, we used to do Ganesh Puja, Hanuman Puja, so much. Even they are put the altar in Radha Krishna the Hanuman. It is not easy to change them. But somehow they come. They are even the Navaratri, 9-day Durga Puja. They full fast. In Navaratri Puja is very famous in the Bengal and UP also. Brajavasi, not the real Brajavasi they are. But they are come living Gurudev give honor. Understand? Panda, who is that? Panda, they always come in Gurudev money. But Gurudev always gave respect. Understand? I show that Gurudev give respect. We are there, what Panda? Khali money. Going to the Vishram Ghat, money. But Gurudev give honor. This is the speciality of Gurudev. Any Brajavasi give honor every Brajavasi. And how Brajavasi love him for Gurudev, sweet nature. He always, anything problem coming to Gurudev. In family problem. Understand? Last time, some year before, Gurudev Madhav Maharaj closed the door. Some Brijavasi, Gurudev giving Gopal Mantra, he have told Gurudev, my Gurudev give the initiation. And Gurudev make the platform giving some Harinam. Understand? Maharaj is giving Harinam. And my Gurudev, Bhaktivedanta Bhaman Goswami Maharaj, when he used to come Mathura, year one time he come. And they all the brahmachari who are get Harinam by initiation by Bhaktivedanta Bhaman Goswami Maharaj. Understand? This is because our Gauriya Vedanta Samiti and Gauriya Math only one Acharya, not so many Acharya. Guru will be one. Maharaj is my Gurudev was president and Maharaj was vice president. Understand? He have no power to give initiation. But still Param Gurudev ordered him, I am now job chanting some Harinam bit and you give everybody in the UP, in the Vrindavan, Mathura, who wanted, in the Guru Purnima day, he give the Harinam. Understand? So many people give Harinam. After one, some Bhojavasi, they lost, they have no someone. Only Guru Puja, this Guru Purnima day, they are used to come and give some presentation, Gurudev, some money, cloth or any sweet. The Gurudev, that time not, but when my Gurudev in the last, he told, I cannot go. So you make disciple. We are in resolution passed in the Vedanta Samiti. Now Bhaktivedanta Narad Maharaj can give the initiation in Braj and Western country. That time Maharaj, when not giving the initiation before, he had Brajavasi, he had prepared them to take initiation from Bhaktivedanta Bhaman Goswami Maharaj. Only Harinam Maharaj giving. Then they told, we are already think you are my Gurudev, we not accept any other Guru. You are my Guru. So Gurudev that time give them Gopal Mantra, not full mantra. So many Mathura Vasi, they are think Gurudev like a very intimate. They have put the flower Gurudev head. And put what you that too, not honor. तुम्हारा तबीयत कैसे है? अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी आपका तबीयत नहीं, अरे तुम तो जाते ही नहीं हमारा घर में आजकल, ऐसे बात थिंक तो इंटीमेट like family members. They are loved to Gurudev, so controlled by their love. One time with them, one girl, one lady came and wanted to meet with Gurudev. Then Madhav Maharaj came and knocked the door. Madhav Maharaj came, Gurudev now taking rest. Just now we are going, you are wait. After 2 hours you can meet with the Gurudev. But then lady become angry. Well, why I need immediately, I will go to my home. Madhav Maharaj passed by, not. You can wait. Then he are waiting, but chanting, maybe praying Gurudev. Immediately Gurudev opened the door. Why you are waiting here? Why you knock my door? Well, Madhav Maharaj not allow me. Well, no, you have to power, you can knock. Anytime you can knock my door. I will open that. This is a Gurudev nature. Brajavasi love so much. Brajavasi is like a family life. They are thinking of the Gurudev. So many, they are mostly have now passed. They are thinking, they are not use any honor like up. This one not तुम. अरे तुम तो विदेश में जाते हो. You are now going विदेश. Now forget to ask. Calling with the Gurudev. I show that how their intimacy and Gurudev, how the thinking them. They are first, because when Gurudev come, their first lady came to Gurudev. So here like that, they are my own daughter. He loved so much. In anything happening in anybody's street, Gurudev immediately go their house. Understand? Ask. Everybody who are come, Brajavasi, their Gurudev, how your family, like Sanatana Goswami with the Brajavasi, how your daughter have settled your marriage, daughter marriage. In this way, Gurudev also speaking Brajavasi like this way. How your family, how okay, You are chanting properly. In this way Gurudev taught. And how the love affection in Brajavati and honor of the all Panda Brahmon, the Brahman, the Panda are given, and all Brajavati temple, he gives so much honor of them. Any Brajavati come, he used to give honor. Panda, immediately told, hey, Nobin, give the money. Because they come for money, start giving blessing. Oh, Naran Maharaj, he will be good. Your preaching will be good. And in this way, they are ordinary giving. Your money coming. In this way, they are giving blessings so much. They give blessing to Gurudev. With Gurudev bless them. He has power, but Gurudev accept their blessing. How sweet, one thing. One time when in the Parikrama, in the Gurudev Janmashtami, I never see the Gurudev miss any Janmashtami. Always present, because this Gurudev give the order. One time here, last year, 2010, when in the Janmashtami, that he are going to so many medicine, and the deep are also going, and Gurudev asked, Naveen, what time are Janmashtami? I must be go to Mathura. Gurunath Prabhu also told, I will go Mathura. You must be take me. But due to Gurudev help, they not tell tomorrow is Janmashtami. I told, I came also that time in the Mathura, Delhi. When I asked Mother, Gurudev not go to Mathura. Well, not allowed to. It is not possible to take him. In morning time, they told, today is Janmashtami. Gurudev becomes so sad, you never believe. Gurudev becomes so, today is Janmashtami, where I am? It is in Delhi I am. And in the give the lecture in that time there, when Gurudev morning walk come back, we are feeling, I feeling very much that Gurudev feeling how what is. Gurudev in the sitting in the morning walk and sit, and when so that today is Janmashtami. My Gurudev give all the responsibility. Now I am in Delhi, capital of the India. Did not allow me to go to. My big doctor did not allow me to go, and tears rolling. How we love Mathura. One time when I asked Gurudev, you are thinking to live in Vrindavan, your room is now. Gurudev told, who told you? Who told you? Mathura is my life and soul. Understand? That time all Brajavaji became so sad. No Gurudev in Janmashtami. When Gurudev forcibly came after Janmashtami, he are going to the Govardhan. But Gurudev told, I must be go Mathura one day. And when come, all the girls are weeping so bitterly. Gurudev told, why you are thinking I am in Delhi? I was always in here, Mathura. You never think that where I love that place I will be always there. And that time he told, yes, I will be now going, Radha Ashtami I will become, but not possible. Radha Ashtami also Gurudev in that Delhi. So much pain coming, they had took the, and that is last year Gurudev, not Radha Ashtami, not Janmashtami. Very much. When we come from the Radha Ashtami, we are Tirthamara, everybody, Gurudev wanted to, what happening there? Oh, this festival, tell Ramchandra, have you done this type of festival? What in the Mathura? Quintal rice and everything. You have done this type of, no Maharaj, here people are not coming so much. The Gurudev is very proud for Mathura temple. What is everything in the Mathura and Brahmachari that time, how Gurudev, all our Vedanta Samiti, everybody is the Mathura. Go to Narayan Maharaj hearing the Katha, then our Brahmachari life will succeed. And Brahmachari how living there? Very simple, no? Anybody not good cloth, no laptop, no watch, nothing. Very simple, always chanting, always like that was. How no sweet water, salty water, because Ravanasur country, Mathura is capital of Ravanasur. So all water becomes salty. It is not, staying in the Mathura is austerity. No fan, nothing. How Gurudev developed this temple, and when some Brajavasi coming helping, then Mandir temple become, before no temple. Only one room. Then more coming, and then Western devotee coming, more and more going on. That is the very sad that Mathura is now neglecting. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari.